Okay, so let's get started. We can name the community online portal and create the community. Click on create. So it's going to create the website for you. Now this will not be published unless you click on publish. So right now we are building it. So it takes you to the entire generation. You can install App Exchange app if you want any other products, or you can, there are a number of steps. You can add your dashboards, report. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on administration, and this is the most important part of it. Okay, so right now it is in preview mode. So go to login and registration. This is the default ones, like for, and if you want to allow external users, so you can select this, assign them a profile for fun. Right now we are not given, by run out of licenses here. You have to click up external users to self registers. Internal users, we will see how to create the users for them. Even external users can self register. Click on save, and then click on settings, and then members. You want to see which members you want to add. Right now system administrator is the default member. So if there any partner user, you can include that user. Any additional permission set you want to give, you can give. Right now I'm adding only system admin.